Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Louis Ferre human hair wig called Amber, and the color is bronze brown. So let me show you this color because it's not really brown at all. That's auburn. Really, really super duper, very auburn. So you can see, I wouldn't say this has a lick of brown in it at all. And the color code for bronze brown I think should really kind of give you that impression as well, because one of the primary colors in bronze brown is a 28, which is an Irish red. I wanted to show you this color in sunlight before doing anything else, because now you can really see how auburn this is and all these beautiful dynamic shades that go into this bronze brown color. So just wanted to show you how it pops in the sunlight. Beautiful color, highly dynamic. Now I'd like you to take some of this review with a grain of salt and just sort of bear in mind that human hair wigs are kind of a blank canvas. You're going to have to wash it, blow dry it, and style it for it to look how you want it to look. This is how it comes right out of the box, and human hair tends to take on the shape of the box it's packaged in. So it's not always a great representation to do, you know, right out of the box reviews on these human hairstyles. So you sort of have to use your imagination to see what the potential is going to be like for this amber. The front is 4 inches, so you can have a stylist cut a shorter bang into that if you like. I just have it swept off to the side for the moment. The crown down is 12.5, so it's quite long in the back, and the nape is 12. So let me show you what amber looks like raw, right out of the box, on all sides. So this is not Remy quality hair. Regardless of what kind of hair you buy, you're gonna have to take really good care of it because human hair is fussy. Human hair is kind of a pain in the butt to take care of. But the color is the rock star feature of human hair, because human hair colors, as I showed you in the sunlight, they pop, they sparkle, they shine. You know, there's just no approximating that with a synthetic wig. That being said, let me go ahead and take amber off so I can show you the cap construction. Amber has a completely hand-tied monofilament top, no permatease whatsoever in this wig. She's also got a generous band of contoured polyurethane right at the front hairline that you can use to apply adhesive if you like. She's also open on the back and on the sides. And she has an extended felt nape and is adjustable a bit like a bra strap here in the back. This wig is not initially very accommodating, but will stretch out with wear, which is a good thing if you have a big head like I do. Amber has a ton of layering built into the cut, which will make for easier styling and is just generally more flattering on these longer cuts. And as I mentioned, she does have a relatively long pre-cut bang that you can have a stylist trim up for you if you wanted to wear it blunt. Let me go ahead and put amber back on for you now. I think as far as wigs fresh from the box go, this one actually looks dynamite. I know that their opal tends to look a little crazy when you first buy her, but this one actually looks almost wearable right out of the box. I would still recommend washing it, blow drying it, and styling it before wearing it out for its debut, because it'll move more naturally that way too. You can feel it, that it's kind of weighed down with the silicates that are in the hair. But it's just a luscious color, luscious wig. I really like this amber. And you know, I'm not afraid of non-Remy human hair wigs. You just kind of have to know the pros and the cons. And we don't sell crappy human hair wigs on my website, CysterWigs.com. we don't sell crappy human hair. If I get too many complaints about something, I yank it from the site. So, and most of these things I either vet myself or I give to testers to try and get their feedback on before I'll even list it on the website. So I take this really seriously, because I figure if you're gonna be spending your money on something, you know, we at least owe it to you to try to vet it first. And that's why we go to great pains to also review these products on camera, so that way you can see firsthand how these things look, or at least are supposed to look, when you first get them home. I highly recommend this color, by the way, if you are in the market for a really nice, natural looking, dynamic human hair auburn. It's gorgeous. And I also recommend this wig. I think Amber has a beautiful amount of hair. The layering is really nicely done. And there are lots of styling options because of it. The layering is not quite as severe as what you'll get on, say, the Cascade by Ellen Villa, which has really like dramatic layering cut into it. The layering here is much more subtle and will look just as pretty if you curl it. So again, this is the Amber wig by Louis Ferre. In the color bronzed brown. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching this review. If you like what I do, be sure to check out my wig store. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.